10 affirmations to live by. I am worthy of success. I believe in my value and embrace the rewards of my efforts. I trust myself to make the right decisions. My intuition and experience guide me wisely. I attract positive opportunities. Good things naturally come my way. I am constantly growing and evolving. Every day brings new lessons and progress. I choose peace over worry. Calmness is my power and my choice. I am grateful for the present moment. Now is where life truly happens. I release what no longer serves me. Letting go opens space for new blessings. I am confident in my abilities. I trust in my skills and strengths. I welcome abundance into my life. Prosperity flows to me with ease. I am becoming the best version of myself. Each step I take brings me closer to my highest self. Ready to transform your financial future? Visit mauricereese.com today. Unlock exclusive resources, step-by-step guides, and expert tips that will empower you to earn money online. Don't wait. Take the first step towards financial freedom. Now, join